How you doing? Hey, I'm going to do a little upgrade today. It's about time. I've had it a while. Got to put some racks on the front. Hi, I'm Arnie, and here we talk Radrover, we talk rad power bikes, we go for rides. Hey, if you like that kind of stuff, why don't you consider subscribing? Just click that big red subscribe button, click the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we put up new content. Yeah, so I just got some stuff in the mail, and fortunately, I opened the box, or unfortunately, I should say, I opened the box before I decided to make a video. So I've got the rack for the front, and I've got the small rack to go in front here, as well as the small bag that goes in it. It's a nice vinyl. It looks like it's probably waterproof through and through. Nice. All right. Well, I'll open up more when I get it on here. So, first things first. So these guys are a 4mm size. So they have to kind of go, this has to all go together like this and through. Whoops. It's not going to be the easiest thing in the world to do. Then again, it won't be particularly difficult either. We'll just slap this on here. Slap being one of those technical terms. This is a 4mm hex. This is a little bit difficult because I'm trying not to get in the way of the camera. Ordinarily, it would be a lot easier, but I'm kind of doing it bass-ackwards. All right, got one in there. Excellent. The rest will be easy as pie. You can see I've had this out a while. It's kind of got dusty. Don't always think about doing a video. You're always just kind of excited about putting things together. That was certainly me. I wanted to, oh God, let's do this. And then I said, oh no, I got to do a video too. And so it's been sitting for a couple of days. The rack, so to get the basket on, you have to have the rack also, which conveniently bolts to the frame instead of to the fork, which is nice. And it has a capacity of 10 kilograms. Not that I know what that is right off the top of my head in pounds, but probably somewhere in the vicinity of twice as much, I'm guessing. Feels like it's cross-threading, and I don't want that. Yep. Loosen that up a little bit. There we go. That's better. God, that would be the worst, one of the worst things. I have cross-threaded things in the past, and it's just no fun. There we go. So we'll get this tightened down. when I bought the bike, I had them put the fenders on, and I had them put, what else did I have them do? That was about it, just the fenders. And I went out and bought I've forgotten now, the Ibera backpack system. And now I've decided to put this on. And now we'll just put this guy on here. It'll go like this. Fits like it's kind of meant to go there. I noticed a lot of guys doing upgrades on their bikes. A moderately priced bike all of a sudden becomes much less moderately priced after doing all kinds of serious upgrades. And I'm not even doing anything like what some people have decided they're going to do. Like it'll go right in there into the rack. And tighten that down. Like this. And there's 4 of them, so we'll do that real quickly. And they come with the washers already installed on the screws. My wife had this put onto her Rad's City step through, and I thought, oh, that's kind of silly. I don't need one of those. And, well, after a while, I decided, after a long while actually, decided to go ahead and do it myself too. I've got another upgrade coming up in a little bit. I decided to put the Juin M1 hybrid hydraulic brakes on. Now, not that I'm, dissatisfied with what comes with it. I just thought I would try them out and see what it's like instead of the totally mechanical version, and give them a try. I didn't want to invest in anything terribly expensive. I didn't want to go with a full hydraulic and that whole thing. Maybe someday. But, there comes a point where it's like, why am I doing this? If I want a bike with everything on it, why don't I go out and buy one of those expensive German bikes, which I've kind of thought about from time to time. But, boy, ta-da, just like that, it's on. No time at all. And, last but not least, a little bag that goes inside it. Just like that. Nice tight fit, and it's got Velcro that goes around the frame of the rack. Interesting that it doesn't fit. There we go. Nice and tight. Do it here too. And the only thing I don't like is that it's meant, this flap should be kind of more towards the seat, you know, facing the driver, so it doesn't pop all the way open while you're riding. But you know, that's a pretty tight Velcro there. And there's a nice little, you can't see it from your angle, but there's a nice little pocket in here. Nice. Nothing to that video, right? Hey, if you like this kind of stuff, make sure that you subscribe, click that bell notification so you won't miss anything. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment. You know, be part of the fun. Thanks so much. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.